Good afternoon, my YouTube family. How are you doing today? I'm bringing you a video on an unboxing that I got from, yep, you guessed it, my favorite Amazon Prime. So what I did was, because I'm always in the kitchen and I tend to make a drop of liquid here or a splash there. So guess what I did? I bet you want to know. I'll give you a hint. I bought some waterproof aprons. So I thought maybe I'll unbox them on camera and let you see them. So I am going to show you what I got. I thought it was cool when I saw them online because I never thought, well, you don't think about stuff. You just type it in, as we all do now. Google everything. So I have a striped one. And this is kind of like I guess like a leaf tree print. But I love the color. And this is my favorite. So let's take it out of the package. Oh, it feels very nice. So family, it says that it is made out of linen and cotton. And I'm not very tall, so this is how it looks. It has an adjustable neckline that you can adjust. So that's great. So it comes to me, I guess about, I would imagine it comes to maybe my knee. I don't need anything longer than that. But let me show you the other ones. Oh, I'm so excited. Because who likes messing up their clothes? I know I don't. Oh, and this feels the same way. It's very soft. And then it has this softness on the backing. So it feels very durable. Very durable. So it has double pockets. I have a pocket there and a pocket here. And the main thing I thought about it for was for when you're in the kitchen and you answer the phone or you have your phone with you and you're like, okay, well, I don't want to put it in my regular pocket because if I splash something, then it may get wet. So I figure I'll resolve all of that by trying to find something waterproof. And of course, Amazon comes to the rescue all the time. So here's my last one. Oh, I just love it. I cannot wait to wear them. And this too has double pockets. They're not very deep, but it's deep enough for my phone. So, and all three of them have the adjustable neck line, and it has the ties in the back. So I hope that you have enjoyed this quick video on my unboxing, and I am sure I will have many, many more, but I just wanted to show you my new addition to the kitchen. So with that, family, if you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here, I say welcome. If you have been here already and you are returning, I'm going to say thank you very much for coming back. So the next thing I need you to do is go ahead and hit that bell notification. and turn on your notifications so you'll never miss another one of my videos. And with that, comment below and let me know what you think about my new aprons. And I'll see you in the chat. Good afternoon, YouTube. I got another package in just as I was closing out my previous video. I had a knock at the door. So let's see what's in it. Oh, yay. Focus. I ordered this can opener. You know, family, not only being in Florida, but just being anywhere in the United States, sometimes when you experience power outages for one reason or another, whether it's weather related or just the company itself, you tend to get power outages, so you always need something manual. So the reason why I ordered this from Amazon, because it's supposed to be a multi-function can opener. So I'm going to open it up and show you how it is. Okay, family, I am back. Of course, like I said, this is a 4-in-1. So I'm going to explain. I'm glad I flipped it over. So here you have the actual can opener, and there's your blade. This opening right here is for a corkscrew. So as you see, you would place it in between and use it as a corkscrew. Okay, now you wonder what this opening is. This opening is for a bottle opener. Okay, focus. There we go. So you put this on top of one of the old-fashioned bottles, and then you pop the top. And the tip right here is for us ladies or even men with extremely long nails and don't want to break a nail by trying to open up a can, soda can, for instance. You will slide this up under the tip and pop the top. So I did see this on a deal of the day. I do believe it was about $6, $7 at the most. I just looked on Amazon and it is $11.99. So again, this is a Benino. I'm sure I'm butchering that name, but I'll show you the box again. But this is the multi 4-in-1 can opener. And it feels very sturdy, family. It's kind of heavy, but not heavy enough to where you cannot use it, but it's heavier than your traditional. So with that being said, let me show you the box. This is the box. You can take a screenshot, and I'm gonna flip it over, and here is the back of it. And as you see, it's dishwasher safe. So with that being said, family, I hope that you enjoyed my content. Please return to see more videos that I will be posting. I love Amazon, so I want you to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so again you don't miss any of my videos. And I want you to share this with all of your family and friends. And with that said, I hope you have a great day, be safe, and take care.